tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the boulder cliffs. Left leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's the way! Good job! Thanks for helping out! Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to... Well done! Cool! Thanks for helping out! Let's go find that toy! Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Should be cool. Boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left, super! Good job! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! We're always happy to help. Have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Well done! We all love your train set.